Introduction to Avery Box Tops. Avery is very proud to be the first office products company to participate in the Box Tops for Education program. Since 1996, the Box Tops for Education program has earned over $300 million for America's schools by funding computers, books, playground equipment, field trips, and more. Avery is excited to participate in this program to help our schools. How does the Box Tops for Education program work? Clip Box Tops for Education coupons from over 500 participating Avery school and office products and give them to a K-8 school in the program. The school redeems the coupon for cash, and we give the school 10 cents for every box top redeemed, up to $20,000 per school year. Finding Avery Box Tops. Clipping Avery Box Tops coupons is easy. On most of our eligible label, name badge, t-shirt transfer, and writing instrument products, you'll find the Box Tops coupon on the back of the package. On our binder products, you'll find the Box Tops coupon on the spine label. On our divider products, you'll find the Box Tops coupon on the back of the packaging insert. So what are you waiting for? Start collecting Box Tops for Education coupons on Avery products today. For more information about the Box Tops for Education program, visit www.boxtopsforeducation.com.